G'day, I'm Grant from Outback Armour. Today I'm going to run you through the Toyota Hilux N80 3550 GVM Upgrade kit. Starting from the front of the vehicle, you can either choose from our adjustable front strut or our digressive front strut, and that will be paired with either our Trail, Expedition or Expedition HD front coil spring, but that'll be determined by what load you have over the front of the vehicle. Moving to the rear of the vehicle and across the table, we move into our correction components like our center bearing spacer kit and our rear leaf springs. This GVM upgrade kit offers 2 leaf spring options, which you will determine with your dealer. We run our greasable rear shackles, our greasable front pins, and the correct U-bolts to suit our leaf springs. For our rear shock absorber option, you can either choose from our Outback Armour adjustable rear shock absorber, which features 20+ stages of adjustment, or our digressive rear shock absorber, which features an external stone guard and cooling grooves. Moving on to our lighting accessories, and as the vehicle changes from one category to another, Cat 6 indicators are required. So these are a mandatory part of our kit. So there are mandatory components, and now I'll run you through the optional extras. These are optional components for our N80 Hilux GVM Upgrade kit. Starting off, we have our fixed upper control arm, which will help give you that ideal 3 degrees of caster and that perfect wheel line. Another optional extra we offer is our diff drop kit. This will basically help protect those CVs as you increase the ride height by 50 mm. Another component we offer is our progressive rate front bump stop. These will help soak up those unexpected whoops that we experience off-road. Similar to our front progressive rate bump stop, we offer our rear progressive extended rate bump stop. These are perfect for when you run heavy constant rear loads. As you can see, this is the OEM one and this is our one. For all SR5 vehicle owners, this is our headlight adjustable link rod. Your dealers will organise it for you if you have an SR5. Jump on our website for more information and to find your authorised Outback Armour dealer. See you next time.